Hello my dear students, welcome back to your geography class. I have done your PT1 course. Hope all of you got the materials and the question answer also. So no need of writing those question answer in your copy. You just take the printout of the materials and read and learn those materials. So students, first complete your PT1 course, then you will move to your half yearly course. And your half-yearly syllabus, it includes chapter 1, that Earth and the solar system, and chapter 2, globe, a model of the Earth. So we have already covered chapter 1, the Earth and the solar system, and now today I am going to start your half-yearly course, chapter 2, globe, a model of the Earth. So first let's understand the globe. Globe is a miniature model of the Earth. So how our Earth is looking like? Look at the picture of globe. Globe is a miniature model of the Earth. So long ago people thought that it was flat like a coin, but later on when pictures were taken from space, then we got to know that the Earth is actually spherical like a sphere. But we learned it in our first chapter. The Earth has a particular shape and size. The particular shape, that is geoid. It is not an absolute sphere because it's to be a sphere the equatorial diameter and polar diameter should be equal. But the equatorial diameter of the Earth is 12,757 kilometers, whereas the polar diameter, means top to bottom, is 12,714 kilometers. That means the equatorial diameter is about 43 km larger than the polar diameter. Thus, the Earth is not a perfect sphere. It is slightly flattened at the poles and it bulges at equator. So, the shape of the Earth is known as geoid shape. And to make the study of this huge geoid-shaped Earth easy and on a smaller scale, geographers discovered globes and maps. So, the miniature model of Earth is known as globe. That means globe is a representation of the Earth, representation of the real Earth on a small scale. So, when we trying to understand this, that helps in drawing maps, projection, etc. A globe is an exact model of the Earth showing the correct shape and location of the continents, oceans and seas on a smaller scale. It shows the shape and location of the continents and oceans. Like the Earth, as the globe is spherical, we can see only on a half of it. A globe is not fixed but can be rotated just like the Earth. Globe has 2 points. So look at the picture. The one at the top is called the North Pole and the one at the bottom is called the South Pole. So now we will talk about axis. What is axis? The imaginary line passing from one point of anchor to the other is known as the axis of the Earth. So an imaginary line. If you see a globe, you observe a globe, you will see globe is not straight, it is tilted. Then we can see an imaginary line that is joining North Pole and South Pole. This imaginary line is known as axis. Remember, in real Earth, there is no line joining like this. It is our imagination. So we called it as imaginary line. The line which runs through this point, that would be axis for this globe. Assuming this, that would be a globe. But the time when you will observe a globe, you can see that, you can feel that line. You can see that the globe is tilted North Pole and South Pole. Northern side, the topmost region, we called as North Pole, and down the southmost region is known as South Pole. So, a needle is fixed through a globe in a tilted manner, which is called its axis.